Hello viewers, welcome back to Pixel Profiles. In today's video, we are looking at the unboxing of Panasonic Lumix 12 to 35mm f2.8 Mark II Micro Four Third lens. In the box, we see that there is a lens hood and a pouch for the lens. Probably I am not going to use this lens hood and the pouch in any time. There is also a user manual. I bought this lens for my GH4 and GH5 camera. The reason I bought this lens because this lens has a Power O.I.S on the lens. That means this lens is stabilized, and my GH5 has also in-body stabilization. Now I have dual stabilization that makes my video very smooth. The second reason I bought this lens is because this is a zoom lens and has f2.8 from 12mm to all the way through 35mm, which is great for video. The build quality of this lens is very good. This is splash proof, dust proof and freeze proof. Though this lens is a bit pricier, this one is a very sharp fast zoom lens with a constant aperture. That is why I like this for my GH5. Panasonic Lumix 12 to 35mm f2.8 Mark II is a perfect companion for my Lumix GH4 and GH5 camera. Thank you so much for checking out this video. If you enjoyed this video and like to see more videos, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you on to the next video and have an absolutely awesome day.